kid, you have those cars, you pull back, and then you let go and just shoots forward. This thing's just so much fun every time. So as you can see, low on fuel. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. It's the first... Oh, sorry, I stalled my car. Stalled the car. It is the first car meet since lockdown. Now, it is a lockdown on the weekends, like I said. So we're having a car meet on Friday. So everyone's like, get the Evo. And plus, we're going to be heading out tomorrow for a trip, and I'm going to be taking the M3. So I was like, let's take the Evo out, you know, make the boys happy. A lot of people, especially waking up for this drive, that are, you know, randomly organized, but, you know, so they wanted to see the Evo, so here it is. Just hope it doesn't rain. You have those cars, you pull back, and then you let go and just shoots forward. That's how this turbo lag is. It just builds, boosts, and boom, out of nowhere, it just shoots. What do you think, Raul?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same.
Bombay Coffee House. Pretty pleasant drive apart from the traffic, but I'm gonna speak to Bombay Coffee House guys if we can come in a little earlier, because they open at 9. You know, we don't want to inconvenience them, get there early. So if they're cool with it, then we'll come in earlier next week, you know, and not deal with this traffic. How does it feel after a while getting out? That's on the Evo. I'm kind of glad I brought it out, because tomorrow we're gonna be in the M3, you know. I feel like I'm like not been driving the M3. I haven't driven the M3 in so long, but this thing's just so much fun. Every time I don't drive it, I just have that itch sitting at home. I'm like, I don't know, I need something to do. Let me go out. But unfortunately, this weather isn't really that helpful, because I don't like driving this in the rain, you know. Everyone's loving the Evo, you know. Had to bring it out. Everyone wanted to see it. It's a fun drive, man. Well, M3 is fun. You know,
Evo.
obviously the top comes off. It's more fun, but this is way more fun. I don't know. Shit, I need to get fuel too. On the way back home, we got a M3 with us, F80, Yas Marina Blue. By the way, shout out to Redline Auto Hoss. My friend Akshay, he just got a F80 M3 as well, Yas Marina Blue as well. Yeah, congrats. So that's gonna be out and about with us, so you know, stay on the lookout for that. Back then, please. So as you can see, low on fuel, stuck in traffic, and yeah, the key is to stay out of boost, kids. It's addicting, you know. It's like drugs to us car guys. But you see, we're almost out of fuel. So
Will we make it?
who knows? Comment below if you think.
Made it to the pump.
Yep, we made it, guys. We made it. We made it. 100, 100, 100. So. Alright, so guys, we did make it to the fuel station. Yo, I just filled in 100. It's pulling hard. So fuel does make a difference, guys. Everyone's like, oh no, it's just in your head. Fuel does make a difference. Of course, for these cars especially, of course. Your newer AMGs and M cars, obviously you won't feel that much of a difference unless you're running a tune. But these cars, damn, definitely. Oh my god. Anyways, we're heading home right now. Let us know what you guys think about the Evo. Comment below what color you should do. Roll, have I spoken about the color I want to do on this?
No.
So I'm thinking real plain and simple. My buddy Joey, you know, he put it in mind. He's like, bro, you have a perfectly working car. You know, touch wood, like, just make it look, oh yeah, make it look like a nice, like, Evo, you know? Like, make it look like don't go anything overboard. Don't do white because, like, freaking every other Evo is white. I really wanted to do white on white, but he's like, just do something simple. I'm thinking silver, bro.
Silver.
Like the same silver that comes on C63s. Because he's like, we'll do that silver. It's a really nice silver. So silver, maybe some bronze wheels. The same wheels. I'm gonna keep these wheels because they're Enki and they're lightweight, and they're from an Evo 8. So let's see. Comment below what you guys think of that color combo. I'm probably gonna do. So yeah. Anyways, like, subscribe, and share, guys. We're trying to hit 50,000 ASAP. Help us get there ASAP. By the end of this year, we want to hit 100,000. And whatever we're doing, you know, me and Ruel putting in the work with the camera, the editing. I'm putting in the work by blowing my money on these cars and fuel, you know. So just so you guys can sit at home safe, you know. We're frontline workers out here, you know. We out here risking our lives, you know. I can even go to jail for what the stuff, you know, we do. So I'm just kidding. All these videos are edited. You know, you guys already know that. So anyways, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys soon. Lots of love from me and Ruel and Shadow. See you guys soon.
A few moments later.
Yo, boss. Are you from Germany? Nice. Check this out. This guy's from Germany. Rode his V-Storm. I don't even know what that is. It was a Kawasaki. Suzuki V-Storm. So it's like a equivalent of like a, I don't know, GS 1300 or whatever.
No, it's 1,000.
What's it called? You know what I mean. One of those adventurer bikes. Check it out, from Germany. Stuttgart, home of Porsches. German engineering, not. I have to show our German friend how it's done in the land of Godzilla. German plates like that. German plates, how cool is that? It just jumps right over the